Out here at the Iowa State Fair. Today I'm going to take you on a little fair tour of some of the classics, and there is no better place to start than the grandstand right here on the Grand Concourse. Now, as you can tell, it's one of the biggest buildings on the fairgrounds. It stretches 600 feet along the Grand Concourse, and actually construction started in 1909 and was designed to be built in different sections, and those were finished in 1927. Now, if you've never stepped foot into the grandstand, you probably will sometime. They have concerts, tractor and truck pulls, or maybe even to visit a vendor. Now, here's something you might not know. Some of the biggest concerts they had were in the 1970s. Get this, Sonny and Cher, the Beach Boys, and of course, the legendary Johnny Cash. When you think of State Fair classics, you definitely think of the Butter Cow. I'm here in the Ag Building today out at the Iowa State Fair, and wow, you can really see how huge of a crowd that it draws. In 1911, they started this, and they've had 5 different sculptors. Today, the sculptor is Sarah Pratt, and not only does she sculpt the Butter Cow, but every year there's something a little bit different. This year, it's the Monopoly set celebrating its 80th year. And you want to know a fun fact? They reuse the butter every year, and it can be reused for up to 10 years. Pretty awesome. Check them out at the Ag Building. Yes, the giant slide. You knew I wasn't going to miss this one. It's been a State Fair staple for almost 40 years, and thanks to a donation from the Reichart family, it's been recently renovated, and 100,000 sliders a year go down, and I'm going to be one of the next ones. Now, there's 2 more rides you want to check out that are owned by the Iowa State Fair. The first is Ye Old Mill, built in 1900s. It's sort of a tunnel of love sort of ride, and then if you want a bird's eye view of the fair, you're going to want to do the Sky Glider. For 50 years, the Bill Riley Talent Search has been a fan favorite here at the fair. We have local talent performing every single day at the Anna Bill Riley stage from noon to 3, hosted by Bill Riley Jr. and our very own Jackie Schmillen. I have one more fair classic for you, and it is the Iowa State Fair Museum. It's at the top of the hill on the east side of the fairgrounds. Now, you can walk there, you can take the tram, or you can take the Sky Glider. Any way you can get there, because they have great rocking chairs on this old historical porch. Also, great way to get out of the crowds and the climate, whatever it may be. Now, what can you find here? You can find old memorabilia, photos, anything from past fairs throughout the centuries, even what people wore throughout the centuries too. My favorite part, fair trivia. Now, here's a little bit for you. It started in 1854, but not here at this location. It was actually in Fairfield, Iowa. Now, as you can see, the porch is very patriotic, which reminds me of the gentleman who has brought us these fair reports, Rebel from All American Exteriors. You can find him at the Varied Industry Building. Everything for the exterior of your house. Back to you guys.
Building she's standing in front of. If you haven't been over there, it's kind of tucked away. If you don't know it's there, you need to go on over there. It really is cool. And then when you get done climbing the hill and going through the building, the whole house, you can come back down and get some sarsaparilla on the curtain.
There's a lot of history, a lot of things you can learn. Remember, there's the new audio tours you can do this year. So there's more.
Hello, folks. Rebel here. At All American Exteriors, we're giving away free gutter protection. That's right, free gutter protection with the purchase of one of our steel roofing systems. Save up to 30% on your energy bill. Lower your insurance up to 25%. Steel roofs are fire retardant, reflect heat, stand up to 2.5-inch diameter hail, and will withstand winds over 200 miles an hour. Select from over 200 colors and styles. For the company voted #1 in home improvement, call now.